Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do is use the Got2B glue gel. Now, whenever I do secure my wigs down, I do just prefer this particular holding gel, just because it is so easy to remove it by just applying water, and it comes right on off, and you don't have to worry about it possibly taking your edges out, because that is not this type of product. This is not that strong, so it will probably only last maybe a day or two. Just start off with like a small dime size. We're going to use this gel to also slick edges back, just so everything is out of the way. Apply the gel like a little bit below your hairline. Put the blow dryer on low, and you're going to let that glue get kind of tacky, and then after that we're going to apply another layer. The wig that I'm going to be using today is from WowAfrican. This is a 14-inch bob with the Brazilian loose wave. Alright, so what you want to do is first off, put the wig on coming from the back. Also have you a comb on standby, because we're going to use that to secure the wig down without using our fingers. Okay, so try not to let the wig touch the gel. Okay, alright, so now what you want to do is take it by sections. Okay, so pull it. See, it's already sticking. So pull. Pull, pull, pull. I'm going to hold the sides like this, because I don't know, the sides, they never stay, like ever. So just gonna hold this. And so what I'm going to do is take the Got2B glued frizz spray, and I'm going to spray it directly on my hairline. And I'm going to take the rat tail comb, the end of it, and I'm going to push the wig onto my head. And this actually keeps your unit from turning white. Sometimes when you are applying a lace front or frontal, if you use your fingers, look at that, that's amazing. If you use your fingers to press down the frontal, it can leave a white like residue, and you don't want that when it comes to your wig installs. So take the spray, spray it directly on the hairline, and just press down. And we're just going to do one side at a time. Go ahead and take the blow dryer and still pull the sides just to make sure. So this is pretty much how the frontal looks. Now what I'm going to do is go in and clean it up. Okay, so to get the gel off of my forehead, I'm just going to take a cotton pad, and it has alcohol on it. Just a tip, you guys, if you have on makeup, please apply your frontal before applying your makeup, you're going to have to end up reapplying it anyways, basically. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of my foundation powder. Oh, also guys, I'm just using my regular face powder, nothing special. And the reason why I'm using powder is because if I try to go in and touch up with liquid foundation, it's just not going to blend right because my foundation on my face has already settled. So I'm just wetting the hair just to kind of see what it does when I wet it. And the parting space on this wig is pretty good. It's a little brassy, but I know how to fix that by just adding some powder to it, and that'll take that brassiness right on out. Yeah, definitely when I get ready to go out and I wear this wig, I will definitely wait to do my foundation after I apply my wig. So this is pretty much what the wig looks like, guys. It's secured. It's not going nowhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the purchasing information will be below.